Today, I'm doing one of those videos that is the what the heck do I do with that? It is called a Jerusalem artichoke. It's sort of a reddish purplish color, has a really earthy smell. It has very little starch in it, so you'll see when you chop it up, it's almost like cutting a radish. It can be sliced really finely and eaten raw in salads, high in potassium and iron, really good for you. I personally love making soups with this because it does have kind of a nutty and almost sweet flavor to it. A new veg. If you haven't tried it before, I hope you will. Today I'm going to make a soup with it. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. This is one of those recipes that is so amazing to make, also because when you're making it, it makes your kitchen smell amazing. That bacon, garlic, sage combo that was going on and frying at the bottom of that pan, oh my goodness, did that ever smell good. The Jerusalem artichokes, I hope you're able to find them. I know for me, I love being able to use something that's just a little bit different in the winter time because the pickings can get pretty slim on the produce side of things. So I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe. Always love hearing your comments. If you have any thoughts about other vegetables you'd like to see me do a video on this for, please let me know. And until next time, happy cooking.